The semiconductor manufacturing process is a fascinating journey from sand to silicon chips. It all begins with pure silicon, extracted from quartz sand. This silicon is melted and formed into cylindrical ingots, which are then sliced into thin wafers. Each wafer undergoes a meticulous cleaning process to remove any impurities. Next comes photolithography, where light is used to transfer intricate circuit patterns onto the wafer. This is followed by etching, where unwanted silicon is removed, leaving behind the desired circuitry. Doping introduces impurities to modify electrical properties, creating regions that can conduct or insulate electricity. After layering and repeating these steps, we have a complex chip ready for packaging. The final product is tested rigorously to ensure it meets the high standards required for everything from smartphones to supercomputers. This intricate dance of precision and innovation is what powers our modern world.